Stick? Want the stick? You want the stick? Check this out. There's a little red bird right there. And the squirrel right here. I'm feeding them some coconut chips. Coconut chips. He was eating some just a minute ago. Now he's just checking it out. Sprinkled a bunch there. That bird's still right there in that tree. And check him out. He's a cool little dude. I was like, and he stayed right here, and I hooked him up. What you doing, little dude? Oh, there's another little squirrel right there on the tree. Kinda cool. Don't get hit by a car, dude. He's curious. The other one came close, but then he ran off because Luna barking and acting crazy. See this bird, this poor bird probably got hurt or something. Luna was trying to get it. Hey, birdie, birdie. Hey, birdie, birdie. Hey, birdie, birdie.